Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork jowl bacon. First, select a fresh pork jowl, ideally weighing between 2 and 4 pounds. Next, prepare your curing mixture using kosher salt, brown sugar, and pink curing salt. Rub this mixture generously over all surfaces of the jowl. Then, place it in a sealed bag or container and refrigerate for 7 to 10 days, turning it over once each day to ensure even curing. This initial step is crucial for flavor and preservation. Once cured, it is time to rinse and dry your jowl. Remove the jowl from its container and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for about 15 minutes to remove excess salt. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. Then, place the jowl on a wire rack, uncovered, in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. This drying period allows a pellicle to form, which is essential for the smoke to adhere properly. Now for the exciting part, smoking. Preheat your smoker to a steady 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the dried jowl inside and insert a temperature probe into the thickest part. Smoke the jowl until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This usually takes about 3 to 4 hours, depending on the jowl's size and your smoker's efficiency. Use your favorite wood chips, like apple or hickory, for a wonderful smoky flavor. After smoking, let the jowl cool completely before slicing. Once cool, slice your homemade bacon thinly, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, using a sharp knife or meat slicer. You can cook it immediately, just like regular bacon, or store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer preservation, vacuum seal and freeze the slices. It will keep well for several months, ready for whenever you crave delicious, homemade pork jowl bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.